discussing some of the key figures within the party. That to begin with, the Secretary General Edwin Sifuna and your Deputy Party Leader Osotsi. Did they notify the committee of their absence, and if yes, were they given the permission to miss this crucial meeting? Thank you.
Yes, the two, Honorable Sosi, who is the Deputy Party Leader, is in South Africa, and he has sent his apologies for being unable to attend. He tried to travel, but he was unable to. Honorable Sifuna also sent his apologies for this meeting. He missed his flight. And so both of them have the permission of the committee to be absent. Yes. So both of them have the permission. Any other question?